If you want to add a date and timestamp to photos on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your Apple Play Store. Now let's search for the date stamper. Great, here's our date stamper. Let's press get it. So let's confirm our purchase, so to say. And let's open it up. Great, now let's give all the necessary access. So now we can stamp photos, or we can press on camera. Let's allow. Now if we're gonna take a picture, let's take use photo. We will see, let me open it up in gallery, that it has a date stamp. Also, you can adjust it, so you can choose your date and time, your location caption, your design, font size, style, text color, background color, underline, opacity, layout, so and many more. Or you can choose stamp photos, so let's choose an old photo, for example this one, and stamp it. Now press OK. If we're gonna open it up and check it out, it's gonna be, well, I've chosen not the best photo, but as you can see, it got stamped. And basically that's how it works. For some features, you may need to buy a full paid, of course, version. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.